Today we are going to change a xenon light bulb in this Volvo XC60. It's not a commercial or anything for this product. I just bought this light. So I think getting out the headlight is the easiest things on this car. You just kind of pull on this plastic thing and on this other one, and you just find a position, wiggle it a bit until you find a position, and here it is. So the cable is pretty short down there. I'm just going to flip it over like okay. I'm gonna turn it like this. I think it's easier like this. And here we are. So this particular one has 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx screws. Pretty basic job to take them down. Here we are. Some other models have different types. They have some metal rods here and or clamps or whatever they call. On this plastic thing says to do the operation on with a professional service or something like that, but they charge a lot of money, and let's be honest, here is just changing a bulb, so it's not launching the Mars rover or something like that. Okay, here we are, and there it is. And here is our xenon light. Okay, this is a better angle now. So for this particular model we have this plastic thing here that you just rotate it, and after that you are able to get the bulb outside. After that you just unplug it, and for this model you need a D3S 35 watts bulb. And here we have the new one, very nicely packed, if I can say so myself. Here it is in all its beauty, the same specification, 35 watts D3S, and we're just going to plug it in. Sorry, you're hearing my puppies in the background fighting a bit. And here let me just check the pins. So 3 pins down, 4 up, and it clicked. Now we just very carefully insering it, putting it in the spot here. Apply a little bit of pressure. These metal bars are pretty strong here, and there it goes. And you just twist the plastic thing back. Put the plastic cover back on, and my puppies are so distracting here, fighting in the back. And we are very quickly putting the Torx back. There it is. I'm trying to insert now the entire headlight unit. Let me just put this a little bit further. Back in the slot. I think it's easier to get it out than to put it back in. That's what he said. Gosh darn it. Oh. And there it is. And we have just one is on and the other one is right here, and there it is. You have changed your xenon light bulb. And let me just show you my puppies also. Hope you learned something from this video, my friends. See you in the next one. Bye.